Hello everyone, today we'll do this split and how to stretch your leg for this split. I will show this split. So, first exercise we should do now, it's working with the legs. So slowly take our knees and 2 and 3. After that we will change side. So we take down, it's 2 and 3. After that, working with our knees, slowly pushing and relax. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that, we will work with the strong leg. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, taking our knees and slowly pushing strong leg. So 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pushing more leg, relax and stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Slowly stand up. Take our breath. Slowly breathe out and slide down. Relax. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will hope that you like it, subscribe and take your likes. So bye bye.